Hi students, let me proceed further and start off with the discussion on epistemology. Now we all know that epistemology is the branch of philosophy which focuses on the theory of knowledge. Now this is something which we were learning right from the first year, and there are certain ways and we could not leave it behind because it is one of the most important branches of the philosophy. Now the question arises, when I am watching a movie, how is it that we are going to tackle the issues of the epistemology? Now here, first and foremost, I'm just going to give you a short introduction about what epistemology is, what are the various schools, and what kind of a problems we can face in it. Now remember that it is a branch of philosophy concerned with the theory of knowledge. That's number one. Number two, we should even know that it is the study, this is how it is usually defined, as the study of the nature of the knowledge, justification, and the rationality of belief. And now here, again I'm repeating myself that when we are talking about epistemology, remember that there are four areas where we need to focus more and more. What are they? First and foremost, the philosophical analysis of the nature of the knowledge and how it is related to the concepts as truth, belief, and justification. If this is the scenario, the next question comes in is, what are the various problems of skepticism? And you will see that yes, there are various problems that are coming up due to I should say skepticism, and we need to focus upon it also. The third one would be the sources and the scope of the knowledge and the justified belief, in the sense that what are the various sources of the knowledge? How do I gain knowledge through these sources? Are they valid? Are they determinate or indeterminate? How do I proceed further? Number one. Number two, what is the scope of that particular knowledge which is gained, through let's say inference or verbal testimony? How do I go ahead and either use it practically in order to resolve certain issues? How am I going to take care of it is something else that I need to understand. Next, the third one is the justified belief. Why, first of all, belief? Second, comes in as what is the role of the justification of my set of beliefs? Now if I'm watching a movie, especially, what are the set of beliefs that goes about? Now especially when a critique is there, okay, and he is observing that particular movie scene, let's say a particular frame of that movie. Now how is it that he is going to justify the truth that yes, this is going to map with the reality of the world where we are living in? What does it mean to say that we know something? Okay, now before that, I should lay out one more thing, and that is the criteria for knowledge and justification. Do we have the set of those criteria in front of us? Now what are those criteria that are meant to give us the knowledge, number one, number two, and the justification also? How are we going to justify? And you will see that maximum of the philosophers coming from the domain of philosophy of mind and philosophy of language are going to address these issues from various perspectives also. So that is how we are going to look and see whether philosophy through films is also going to be in the similar platform or they would be different one. So these are some things that I really wanted to highlight and move ahead with the I should say with my own studies or the understanding of the films through the help of the films, through philosophy as well as the film. So let me come with the next video of mine wherein I'm going to talk about more about defining knowledge and how we are supposed to understand it, if at all we are going to think about it. Till then, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.